Sumanto sir has very nicely elaborated some very complex things. It will be easier to crack the examination. His support will always lead us to be a good doctor. I am Dr. Agnimitra Bhattacharya from West Bengal. I attended this one-day long course. Sumanto sir has very nicely elaborated some very complex things in this short time. Apart from this, he has very nicely noted some tricks to appear in the MRCP examination, and I think if the aspirants can go through such programs, and all the complex topics will be easier to crack the examination. And his support will always lead us to see different kind of patients and to help to be a good doctor.